Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my 2-pack MUTUACTOR Magnetic Broom Holder hooks. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and I'll show you how it turned out. This set comes with 2 S-shaped hooks that works for different sizes of tools. There are also the magnet discs as well as some additional accessories. The magnet disc is quite strong and it has an anti-scratch surface so it doesn't damage my metallic surfaces. The hook itself also has a protective padding on it that helps hold my tools securely and prevents them from slipping. I love that I can use it to hang all kinds of tools without having to drill holes everywhere. As long as I have a metal surface like a door, metal cabinets, or anything else that magnets can stick to, I will be able to use this. There is a little bit of installation that we need to do where we will need to screw the magnet disc onto the hooks to secure it in place. Once that is done, we are ready to start using it. I am using it in the garage to store our different tools. It is such a nice and convenient way to store items above the floor, which keeps things neat, organized, and also reduces clutter everywhere. So far, I really like the convenience of using magnetic mounts to store and organize things around the house and in the garage. Not only is this easy to set up, but it is also easy to relocate and move to another spot in the house if needed. If you are in the market for a heavy-duty magnetic hook broom holder that is multi-purpose and works for many different sizes of tools, be sure to take a look at this.